Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this channel, Every Data Science, is all about trying to learn different concepts in all data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, I'm going to solve this question on DataLemur regarding histogram of tweets using PostgreSQL and try to walk you through how we can develop solutions to such problems. The difficulty level of this question is easy, and this question has been asked in Twitter interviews. Okay, let's jump right in. The question reads, assume you are given the table below containing tweet data. Write a query to obtain a histogram of tweets posted per user in year 2022. Output the tweet count per user as the bucket and then the number of Twitter users who fall into that bucket. So you are given a table called tweets with 4 different columns: tweet ID, user ID, message, and tweet date. Tweet date is a timestamp. And here is an example. So here, if we look at it, right? So here there are 5 tweets. So user ID in 2022, we are concerned about the number of tweets. So in 2022, so obviously this row should be excluded because this is a tweet from 2021. So these 4, right? So user ID 111 has 2 tweets in 2022. This one has 1 tweet. This one has 1 tweet. So basically, in the tweet bucket 1, so number of users who have 1 tweet are 2, right? 254 and 148. Number of users who have 2 tweets in 2022 is 1. So that is what you need to find out. So first thing that we should do is, from this table called tweets, we should only keep those rows where the year in the tweet date column is equal to 2022. So from this table called tweets, we are only keeping those rows where extract the year, right? Extract the year from the table, from the column tweet date, right, which should be equal to 2022. And once you have that, then what we can do is we can group by the user ID. So for each user, let's try to find out how many tweets there were in 2022. So group by user ID, return the user ID and then count the number of tweets. So we can write count tweet ID and let's alias this as number or whatever, does not matter. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what we are having. So that is what we have, right? So 111 has 2 tweets in 2022, 148 has 1, 254 has 1. But this is not what we want. We want how many users had 1 tweet, 2 tweets, 3 tweets, etc. in 2022. So now what we can do is we can save this in a common table expression and then now group by the number column and count the user IDs, right? So you see, we are doing the same thing in different manner. So we can do with CTES, so with CTES, and then this entire thing goes into parentheses, right? And then from this common table expression, let's group by the number column. So number is basically the number of tweets, right? Return those number of tweets and it should be aliased as tweet bucket, right? That is what we need in the output. So as tweet bucket, right? And then we need to count the number of users, right? So count user ID and alias this as users number. Okay, so now this looks good. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what we are having. So okay, tweet bucket 1, 2 users, tweet bucket 2, 1 users, right, in 2022. So I think this looks good. We don't need to order this by anything, I think. Yeah, so let me go ahead and submit it to see if it passes all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted and this is how we do it. Again, very simple question. All we had to do was, first thing, from this table called tweets, we only kept those rows where the year was 2022 because that is what we are concerned about. Then we grouped by the user ID. So basically for each of the user ID, we tried to find out the number of tweets made in 2022. And once we had that, then we grouped by the number of tweets used, tweets made, and counted the number of different users. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way you can think of to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.